Oh yes, Bampi Tantambi Jimso, number rich boy Maxudi Junior made in Uganda, Omukutu gwa Uganda Mukamooli, Olunaku Olwaleero, omusajja mukulu amanyikiddwa nga Diamond Platnumz, eyaliko bawazali, nabwe kitayingiddeyo mu kibuga Kampala. Avuddeyo n'ategeeza nga bw'atagenda kulya Spice Diana, wabula bagenda kukola oluyimba. Agamba nti Spice amutwala nga sister we. Era avuddeyo n'ategeeza bannayuganda n'abagamba nti oba mwagala oba temwagala nve Kampala nga maze okukola ne Spice Diana oluyimba n'okushootinga video n'ebisikaddewo. Ku press conference waliyo Fresh Boy amanyikiddwa nga Alien Skin. Olunaku lwajjo yawonye okuba nti attibwa wali ku Urban Bar and Launch Namongona wali eri poliisi n'abajasi bagezaako okuba nti bamugoba okuba nti yatomedde omusajja omu mu mmotoka bakoze akavuyo ne batomera omuntu n'adduka emisinde gyayiri mu mmotoka n'adduka. Olunaku lwaleero asobodde okuba nti bakwatagana ne Diamond Platnumz era nga bannayuganda bagamba nti oba oliawo Diamond Platnumz alina okuba nti yasooka Alien Skin okuba nti ayimba because Alien Skin is bigger than Diamond Platnumz right now. Simanyi oba bannayuganda wetwatuse nga tulina akazoole oba nedda mpola mpola naye nga biwe kitube kiri ekisinga obukulu nti Diamond omukujja mu Uganda omukyala amanyikiddwa nga Zali the Boss Lady naye wali mu Kampala agenda maaso n'okuba nti amutambuza boyfriend we amanyikiddwa nga Shakib oba muyite Smart Wire Boya nabwe kityo bamusibidde ebbali tasobola kuba nti akola access yonna ku Azali right about now kubanga Zali agezaako kuba nti awa Tata Tifa ne Daddy Dylan okubujjanjabi obw'omu buliri. So ngenda kutuusaako ebifudde ku Mistil Hotel nga Diamond Platnumz agezaako kuba nti ayogera abaana bageze maaso n'okuba nti bamukiba ku kisaawe Bukis bannakampala beeteze era nga Shera Gashumba simanyi oba bamusibidde ku mugwa Rickman kubanga y'omu ku bantu abaagala okuba nti babezaawo musajja mukulu amanyikiddwa nga Diamond Platnumz. Asooka yalabeko Diamond Platnumz nga ayogera kunyumiza emboozi Spice bakwatagana batya Zali kyekiriwo n'ebisigaddewo. Bampi Tantambi Jimso, subscribe ku Uganda Mukamooli tusobole okuba nti tutambula ffenna mpola mpola. Bye for now.
Not in a bad way. Thank you. Not in
Nagasha, thank you for the follow.
It's like it needs to be legal, not illegal, but I'm trying to entertain my people. That's what I give my money for. So after here, when you come, if one day I invite you home, if you come to Tanzania, most of the time I wear something called kanzu. Kanzu are those Islam, when you maybe you form with a kanzu. You know those long white dress that Arabs wear with a scarf. That's where I always like wearing. I'm putting on that one, and I'm praying 5th time a day. So my family, my all-in-laws, they know me that this guy, the person that see here, this is not Nasi. This is Diamond Platnumz. You can say whatever you want to say. If I'm talking about girls, it has nothing to do with my family back home. If I talk about having more kids, that's Diamond Platnumz. If I'm talking about, that's D. It's not Nasi.
Right.
So when I go to my family, I dress totally different. Even my hair. So sometimes I'm taking my dress off.
Last one, still on social media. This one is a man-to-man kind of thing. All of us on social media, we're scrolling through here and there. Every now and again, we see a pretty little somebody that we like. At Diamond Platnumz, you go through your Instagram, you see a little pretty somebody that you like. How do you go about it? Do you slide up in DMs? Do you get somebody to do it for you? How does it work in your world?
Ladies.
Yes, of course a pretty lady.
Trust me, I go DM. I don't send anybody. I don't mind going to the DM. If you want to screenshot me, I can say anything. You know, come on. It's very easy. That's what I've been telling my friends. Like, how dare you can go to someone's DM or you're not stressed. Like, it's very easy to say it wasn't me. I'm sending it. After I'm sending it, then I say it was just Adobe. It's very easy. So I slide. Yeah, bro, after sometimes I will die, so I want to use my time very properly.
Thank you. Alex, before we wind up, just tell us what to expect, what the lineup is, what time the gates open, and then we'll wrap this up.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow is a concert day. It's a fundraiser concert. Someone said the money is a lot. No, it's not a lot. It's affordable. And we expect everyone to come through and support us. We are at Kololo Independence Grounds. We'll open the gates at 2 p.m. We got out a lineup quickly to see where people are performing. If you want to check that online on our pages, it's right there. But everyone that we advertised is going to perform. Apart from, I don't know, but they have to respect the time. That's the issue. If you don't respect the time, it's going to be hard for us. And if you notice on our socials, we've been advertising and letting you guys know at what time everyone comes on. So if you don't see someone and there's someone, just know the other someone delayed and someone came. So the issue is time. Nameless comes on at 9. Nameless comes on at 9:20 up to 9:40, and that's exact. So then we have Alien Skin, then Diamond Platnumz. Diamond Platnumz takes the show from 10 to midnight until we finish. So just come through, guys, and look forward. I think it's going to be a great time. We have 3 categories. We have regular, VIP, and then the platinum people, the table people. And all is organized. From here, we're going to Kololo Airstrip. If you want to come through and check out, it's going to be nice. We also have a sound check. If you guys want to see how it goes live, you can come through at 6 p.m. We'll be there at Kololo Airstrip, sound checking. Be sure that tomorrow will be nice. Otherwise, we on our side, we're ready for the show. Thank you so much, Paul.
All right, I'm going to request the team up front to just stand up for a group photo, if you don't mind. The artists and the partners. Just get closer to each other for that photo op. Just get closer so we are all in the shot. Yep.
Okay, idea.
Thank our sponsors, Festival Hotel, NTV Uganda, Uganda Airlines, Success Motors, Pepsi,
Yeah, man. I have something for you.
Spark TV, Auto Show Kampala 2023, Urban TV, and XM. Thank you so much, the media, for coming for this. I hope each one of you registered. We'll read that information. Please make sure you register. The forms are around. Thank you. DJ.
Wait, walinye bridge nga tomanyi nti egwa oluswayiro olukomye wali.
Diamond. Diamond, I have a gift for you, Diamond. Diamond, I have a gift for you. I have a gift for you, Diamond. I have a gift for you, Diamond. Yes. Diamond, I have a gift for you. Yeah, it's right here. It's right here. Kakwata. Aliwo no mwana aliwo wa kamera.